Engage. Ute Intence. Gotta be. Trisha. Wagwan spooky doogie. Lord of His mercy. All the girls them hold tight and make sure on hold tight. Easy and stay so. Easy. The Bisha. And cookie them. You see me last year. You're not going to see me this year. Other occasions. Special occasions. Lord of His mercy. Long time in a company life. So I say I want to come over here and look down. And see what I go on. Because you don't know the internet get away more time. You just post something and just go live a regular life after. You know what that go? I have a little time for spare and say I go on it. So, no, I have a TikTok page, but God go with it. TikTok enough for me. I'm an old man. I never know me that ever live for say that. Say, I'm an old man. Because some things where I go on over TikTok is definitely not for me. Hush, I miss your call, Trisha. My apology. Girl gone bougie. You know yourself. Remember here, me have to tell you the truth. Me have to load that TikTok something. Me go and watch it over Instagram when people put it over there, you know? Or that's something they go, cause me have to tell you some things and what we say. Easy! Original youth call, oh, major. Stay so. So, me want to have a little chat, cause a long time when I read that thing. Strong one, wagwan. You know what say? I realize say everybody when them get them look 5 minutes of fame. First thing what people do is talk about, oh, me I manage them or me I manage them. Big up Intence. And the man that when him pastor comedy or comedy man or comedy pastor with him one name. When the man come on the scene and say, you don't want a man, it's substance. If you're there with me, I give you this, I give you that. If you're there with me, I go up a national and I buy your bread, I buy your bun, I buy your tough crackers, I buy your cheese tricks, and I buy your some tea biscuit and something. You don't want a man who full your belly, girl. And if you want to go to school, I help you with your school fee. If you're in a round robin, don't come to me because the round robin can mash up. I have it every week for you for the round robin. So don't come to me for the round robin. God go with you. Alright? But just make sure telling the girls, if you want a man with substance, you can check me. Okay? I'm not going on a round robin. So if you want to go in a round robin, nobody come tell me say, yeah, go in a round robin. Can't say. You understand? So I will buy some limeade and lime juice and I will give you some, you know, some nice sugar and water. So you understand? I give you some dumpling in mackerel sauce and thing. So yeah, that man there, pastor comedy. I say the man come out on Intence give him 100,000. When Intence give the man 100,000, I say the man goes and say I start a little business. 2,000, I say them put up back the man and say, yo, him are dead for hungry, yo, them wicked, them take him phone, them take this, them take that, them take everything from the man. One girl put him out and say, me give him $1,000 I want trim. Intence take him up again and carry him go one place. I say the man clean, yo. I say the man, I don't know who take him up and dust him off. I say the man not purple, you know, much money for purple clothes, that brand there. I say the man not purple. And be people all of a sudden that ask the man hype and the man this and that. Why we always stay like that? When the man are dead for hungry. So much people never did that talk about say the man hype. So much people never did that say that. All of a sudden, little breeze blow up on the man and the man look clean and they on stage and they some little place and you know, you might get a little highlight. Right? Because if you look on pastor comedy, you can't see him no so 1,000. Me not say 100. Him not say 1,000. You understand? Him kinda, you know? But him come on the internet and him give you a little laugh. Him give you a little laugh. Every time the man they get something. Now let me tell you something. Don't quick forgive somebody something for then run go back and talk about it. Come realize that happened to enough people. As them go somebody and give somebody something and them say the people, I'm like, why want to give people something to change them life? And well, I'm not expect them to change them life. You give me something to eat, I'm a belch. You never expect me to belch. Me forced to belch, burp and fart and shit. When you come talk about my fart stink. You never expect me to fart. Then you go tell me something and manners and me this and me that and me that. So that means you give me for tell me now, say, me hype. Pastor come here do him thing. Him have something about him. I like him. I like him. And we don't tell a lie, big up Intence, cause Intence, remember him there on the internet and Intence give him you see money. Money is not evil. Money show we show people intention. And 100,000 the man get and then him get a little highlight. Intence carry him go up a Mecca and you know, carry him go to a local place and you know the man just look clean and all of a sudden be people have everything we say about him. Look out for the man. Look out for the man and give the man a break. Give the man a break. Anyway, Jamaica and the world, wanna go on with. It's been a long time. A whole heap of things I say I go on. I choose not to come on and talk about it a long time. I tell you, say I'm a blogger. But a boy named Mark away one name. Nobody sorry for me and give me a girl. Me alright, me a big man. And I want a girl. I'm good. Some things I read on the internet more time. I have to say John Star. Cut me, I pass it. I allow it alone. Some are talk about friend, but not just none of them. Some are talk about you want them article, but them too hypocritical. Who they can fit them better wear it. A long time I tell you, say no real friend on the internet again. No real friend on the internet. Because soon as you have somebody have problem, you hold your business. You have the amount of girl when me look on the internet and see them have how much man. And say them there with a man there and them carry that one, they go dash your belly and them carry that one, they go do this and them carry that one, they go do that. Me I said, John won't start look your man. So why you can't just know say we're not friend again and nobody let out to look a secret what we did have? Why you can't just go to the grave with you? Why you can't just go to the grave? Why? Why you have to come scandal your friend? Why you do it? No do it, man. Don't do it. And I have a little thing to say pertaining to me. I drive on the road a while ago and I see a little girl. That little girl not reach 13 years old yet. That little girl don't even look like she reached 12 yet. Chendi got to her. Happy birthday, people. See her there, she named Chendi got to her today, her birthday. I don't call her yet, but she have to get a call. I'm a friend that. I want to tell her happy birthday for me. Because you don't know. And check out her online store where she have. Tell her happy birthday, Chendi got to her. Because you don't know. Once we can live to tell somebody happy birthday and a big thing. Is a big thing. Big deal. Could never be a cartwheel. You understand? Big her up. I'm a friend. Yeah. So me I tell you now say. Me see the little girl in a one piece of shorts. The way the shorts short. Like me I feel rethink and I look back on life and I say, me know this little girl here. Never ever buy this clothes because she now work now if you buy that clothes yeah. She now work now if you buy this clothes yeah. Somehow on the mama on need to stop it. Just the little girl them like some little girl. Give them chance to grow and make them stay like how them stay and stop rush, because trust me, some whole heap of things are going on, people, and it come like out sweet, Like all me in them time, what I could have do with all a pitney right now. I'm afraid of the world where I deal with it right now, Because I'm not telling a lie, It's rough out here, The little girl them now get no chance to grow up. Because first thing, them address them like some big tough girl and address them like some whore. Because how comes a little girl? That little girl look like about 9, 10. I know she don't reach 12 yet. And she in a one piece of shots. When I say she in a one piece of shots, the only thing left for show is her body jar, a drop out the door. I remember nobody now have no problem with it, because them are going to say, Lord, my pitney. Lord, my pitney. Where you watch my pitney for? You're a pedophile. Lord, my pitney. Remember, none of these little girls don't buy them clothes. None of them don't buy them clothes. Them leave out of your yard. Them leave out of your yard, Them leave out of your yard. Why? I not tell nobody how to grow them pitney. I not try to give nobody no advice about them pitney, because when I come near me, when I go come near me and I talk about me chat too much and I know my pitney, so I love I'm going to go and grow the pitney. I love no. But remember, don't come back to the world. Don't come back to the world, because let me tell you something. I want to listen to this keenly. You remember all of the grown people in the this when we did a go to school. They never used to teach you about sex in a school. You remember, right? They never used to teach you about sex. Only when time we got pharmacy, or past any pharmacy at all, we used to see them put up the man. Them put up one man. And them tell us, say, you have genital, these are them genitals, and when the herpes sign, when the herpes on the chart, and it tell us, say, when you look on the body part, you see be a bump. Right? You see be a bump, and you look on the mouth, and it show you be a bump. Remember, say, when we go to school, we never even did understand nothing about the herpes. We never understand nothing about them sexually transmitted disease. And then when we get old, and now them start telling you about crab louse. Right? Remember when we are go up when we are go up in our before we reach teenage, I go we are hear about crab louse. And me I say one name crab louse. Right? One name crab louse. Then we go somebody and start hear about that thing on him gonorrhea. What them say as foreign people bring it to Jamaica. Right? Them give it and say, gonorrhea this. No, because remember we always hear about AIDS. We always hear about AIDS. Now we have HIV, and we have chlamydia, and we have this STI, TI, PI, PI. All kind of eye we are hear about. Right? So now, when you go into the school them, right? The little youth, them at 10-year-old, them start teach them about sex from early. Nothing wrong, because anything want to hide in our house, it out a door. So it's like the youth, them a grow a different way. The internet I grow the youth them so much, like when I see them have a tablet, because every youth have a tablet. What you say? Barbados, I got to be there hanging on a wall. Remember, people, when you look at the 10-year-old them and them tell them now about gender. Them tell them you can't call them can't call themselves anything what them want to call themselves. So you can't call yourself her, is, miss, this, that. I rather to be called, I want to be known as this or that. Them put it pamper any farm where you are full up now, them a put that. So the gender thing now on a male and female. Remember so one in our thing, when we go somewhere look at any farm where we are full up, male or female. Now you see male or female are this, that and one bag of something. And it is so sad that the youth them open up to so much things. It is so sad. Remember say, you have one drugs of foreign when name lean. You have one another one. Now we out here, remember you have ecstasy. Remember you have Mali. And them say you have different type of Mali. Plus you have some other drugs. What them say in a syrup it there. Right? When a little boy name we rap in a music now. When name? NBA young boy or NBA big man or way more name. Remember, me no know none of the little boy a sing, you know. Remember, me no know no song for him. And a for him sang them, every little young youth a sing. Ask me, me no know if you know none of them sang them. Me no know if you know none. I'm sang them, but me don't know one. Jigga. Lord of mercy. Zine. Me and a pharmacist, but I think them way out there we are see it. See? So, when me I say now about this boy name, and be a young boy or him one name, I him me say the youth them a follow up now. Be a violence him sing bout. Be a violence him sing bout. RJ mommy. Right? So, you don't know. The world changed so fast pan we. It changed so fast pan we. Fast. And let me tell you something. Acceptance is one of the things where I mash way up. Remember me a big man now. Remember when I was 17. Remember when I was 17 I'm going to look for my father. My father there at jail. And my father said to me, say, what you say? When I carry my woman, go show him and say, I'm a woman this, you know. I must say, what you say? There I can't expect granny now. As a 17-year-old, I can't expect granny now. I'm say, you mean? Third toes, a twin me get. At a 17-year-old youth. See? Remember, you know, me get youth when me at 18. That's why I tell my youth, them say I'm proud of them, because guess what? When me a for them age, me responsible for them. Now, them at the age where them only responsible for themselves. Because I know we come from jungle and we say we want youth, because we want to say we want turn father. But everybody need to reason with the woman them we not talk to, like the big man them, reason with the young daughter, reason with the son. Tell them about responsibility. Tell them say them now go come turn in on a granny and a grandfather for sit down and take care and a pitney. Because them want to have the pitney and then left them pan grandparents. Them days are done. Why I think I tell you say acceptance is a thing. I'm proud to be a 40-year-old right now, close to 50. I'm proud to say that. Because one time, I remember one time I hear somebody at 40, me I said, you know, them old people here. So we don't feel no way one time, them like, all people forget offended when people are call them sir and miss. All people forget offended. We must not be offended when time somebody said to us, sir, because that's how we're supposed to name. We name sir, and the woman them a miss her mom. Over which TikTok mails when I do over there. You tell us I just come on and I go and I look pan. Too much thing I go on the internet. Your site, we are big people now, you know. And I can't tell you no, we don't need to reason with the youth them and tell them, show them. Them make them mistake, you know, but remember when they make them mistake, them have to suffer the consequence and live with that. Not afraid to tell them have to live with that, because guess what? Me remember, we live with my granny, and well, say me asleep out and I go a woman yard go sleep as a 17-year-old, you know. 17-year-old, but me I leave out of my granny yard and but me I go sleep a woman yard. Come in the morning and beat me chest like me the man, because you don't know, get like a front the night before. Get like a front and bust off and say, yeah, I want you, and me the man. Hunger kill me. Gone in a mama house. I said, mama, why go on? Morning, mama. How you cook? And mama just turn for me and look and say, anywhere you sleep, I there you eat. Anywhere you sleep, I there you eat. And lick me with a big stone. Move from there, go away. My grandmother lick me. And from there, so I know me a big man. Because again, me not pay no bills in a house, I will sleep out and go broke. Bust off and come in. Like me at the Dan Dada. My granny said, I know so it go, you know. I know so it go here. I know so it go. Anywhere you sleep, I there you eat. So go on back anywhere at all you go sleep and go ask them what cook. Move and lick me. So our teaching we used to get them time. I can't remember again, you know. I dance again one night as a little young. I remember me about 13 and one of them age there, 14. I never remember. I'm about party I keep. I'm me gone a party. And my granny lock me out. Remember, so when you get locked out, you can't go nobody yard. You can't go nobody yard. Remember the road. Remember, you can't hear all if a hinge up out the door. If people are whisper your ear to all the place quiet. Miss Proper. To all the place quiet. I remember, say me I lay down on the ground on the veranda. Because I remember, you know, she locked me out in the grill lock. And she in the house. And me I say, Mama, Mama. Me and my brother TD. And she not let we in. Remember the ground cold, the ground cold, the ground cold, the ground cold, the ground cold. Teach, she said she a teach me a lesson, you know. Cause enough teaching my granny give me, you know. Remember, you know. I love out the street, you know, my granny say, Richie, stay in the yard. We are talk about, man, me have to outside, man. Right, pan the girl them outside. Mama, I want to hear, man, no yard, man. You can't tell me that. Me a big man, big man. She said, Richie, everything you see out the road. Yesterday, it's same when I go out there today, nothing never change. Me still never said nothing. Mama, we are talk about, man, me have to go out there go see where I go on out there. Me have to out there, I want to hear, Mama. I remember me turn big man and realize that everything when my granny did attack, I did the truth. Everything when she did attack, I remember say, to the way we afraid out the road more time. Because if we not have to go out there now, we not go out there. We not see everything already, man. Remember, we see everything already, you know. And we not even have to go out there now. Because I remember saying at them time that when we liquor, you know. See, in a 1980 something come up in the early 90s. When we go to man, just I got branch off and go say we are going to turn teenagers 92, 93. 94, 95 I come up. Willie got to have him roof I go on. And we have to go up a Willie roof. Them time the Willie got boat ride and bus ride I keep. When the man left from Roses and one bag of car when he pass over Black Roses. Willie got to have a drop top bimmer. And Yankee them have him purple bimmer and the thing I go on up a Willie roof. And I mean that as a little youth so me have to get the break and I have to play for Willie them. I want to know. We go through the whole of them something there. But now, so much things is there that's... Remember already days when time we go a country, a beach trip, we go up on we go up on a beach trip there. Either our community I keep the beach trip or our school I keep it. I remember every time a school trip keep, I pick me always down. Why I pick me always down when time a school trip keep? You never wonder that yet? Now things change. That's every holiday now, somebody a crash and dead. Because everybody have car now, everybody in a car a gallivant and drink. Them a go chug it, them a go sands, them a go everywhere. And people just a drive and crash. 4 people dead, 6 people broke up. 5 car accident and all of them something. Them tell you so much car never dead about. So much car never dead about. That's why I'm telling you, so we have to accept. Some of our blood clip, big man, we're over 40. And still I run down some little young girl when I live no life yet. Remember, I told them I barber. And I say, listen, me man, fuck out girl, me a deal with, you know. And when I talk and say, I want fuck out girl, them I say, what you mean? And I say, here, I explain to you, because I said that word there. I don't want to take it like, I just say that so. When I say fuck out, I want a woman with experience already. Because you see a woman who don't experience, remember you are going to have her upon a leash. And when she want to unleash, you are going to have problem. Because you want to go to your bed when she want to go out. Remember your days them when you did go out, nothing couldn't get you to stay in. Your granny tell you to stay in, you turn big man, you gone out, same way. Till now you up in that age and want a little young 25-year-old filly. A little 22-year-old Philistine. And you have her and I say, yeah man, I'm a little dolly this. And the dolly want blood clot, go out, they go play. The dolly want go out, they go play and you tell her go to bed because you want go to your bed. You want her for blood clot, what 7 o'clock news. She don't want to watch the news. She want to go watch Love and Hip Hop with blood clot spice them in it. And blood clot bodies of the islands and bodies of the Caribbean are way to one name. So we now accept we live our life and we live some good life. We're not supposed to have nobody that have blood clot bantan them. Make them go fuck down the place and go do what them have to do and go catch infection or go do whatever them have to catch. We go through the whole of that already. You understand? Lord, the little blood cleat young bud make sure no storm. Find herself from early. You understand? It's just like enough for the big woman them. Where Gosabama una 50 and 60 at about you want a little 22-year-old, the boy would strong. The boy would strong, the boy would tough. Boy, me I tell him, I can't bother with them big money, them money all. One round, them a gear. One round, and if you come for you don't even start good yet. And when you're ready for it, you just get in the mood, and him just a come. You want a young boy, and young boy come and give you be a fuck. And when the young boy fuck you and give you be a fuck, you think say you not get no problem. A fuck and problem you get now your dirty blood clot. Cause it would sweet you. And you want the young boy blood clot come go a bingo party with you. And blood clot too, little thing while little boy, he want go a chug it and he want go a sons and he want go up a blood clot that is Sunday. And he want go a triple Thursday and he want go a the whole of the something and you want go with him and you want to sleep and him not want to sleep. He might be in the scene and hood. And be a compare and be a rum in him hood while you blood clot there sit be a red wine. He don't want to wine. A grind him want grind you out. But just to you have a piece of Jesus, a little piece of shit there and a little piece of germs. Right? You try control him because you feel like say you're going to just give him care, you're going to give him clothes, you're going to give him everything and just feel like you just alright, so you get some blood clot fuck pan because remember him not live no life yet. Remember them so young bud no storm. Young bud no storm, so him have to go break out. You got blood clot, take him up on him now, no worry about clothes. And you buy suitcase of clothes for him and beer thing, put him in a Louis and Gucci and beer things where him never have yet in life. You feel like you alone are going to see him. You give him the nice things them. So you think the girl not going to see him? Girl upon him rascal at Instagram and send him art emoji. And you upon it to come talk about minds and minds and minds. And one bag of minds and minds, eh? Them girl in him inbox and no girl never look him yet. Two girl him fuck now him life and him at 22. You are the third girl him fuck. You feel like say him going to stop at you? And that's how you mash up, you dirty blood clot. Right, that's how you mash up. Same thing like how you go for the young boy, go for the young girl, them too. Them have, you have to allow them, make them go live. Them have some mistake to make. You have to allow them, make them mistake. Not care how much things you want to give them. Not care how much things you want to give them. Because remember when you did young, nobody could chat to you. Outside, they depend on them outside. So why now you want him stay in and blood clot watch news? Eh? Why you want to ask him what's the weather like outside? Eh? Come, what's the weather honey and what's the temperature today? The man don't want blood clot know that. Man want to go out there go look for some girl. The man, I'll know the man there go 3 go look for one girl. Drive all 4 hours go look for a girl. Just forget look at broke. Cause you would up on him phone and call him every minute. Just like the big man them, not for them. They look a young girl when I fuck down the place yet. You have to have her and talk about, yeah man, I'm look at preps and I'm look at toes, you know. I'm look at toes. She don't make no mistake, it's fresh out of blood clot school. You have to shave off the grey hair, them off a year old. Watch ya, be die, you have to put, and then one this look a nice cock up, look a young girl where her breast them stiff. Remember, she not have to do nobody because she curve out. Twin, where have you been? Nobody knows me. Me say the girl a twin. A 2 of the girl you have the way them the girl a twin. 2 girl in a one you have. So you have to just load them, make them go fuck. You understand? You have to just load them, make them go make them mistake. Remember I know it happened a long time. But it worse now. Cause them young girl and them young boy, remember them not even want them one another. Them don't know what them want yet. Them know say them want things. Remember them know say them want things, you know. Them know say them want things because that things that mash up everything, you know. At things people want. So remember, you know. Alright. Independence is a thing. And every girl front I go carry them around the world, you know. Some girl have to go work well hard. Well hard. Well hard. Some boy have to go work well hard. And every boy would have got carry, make him buy a car. Him have to go work hard for that car there. Him not go just hold a big man and fuck it and get a car, so. And all the way have that something there. You understand? Some of we have to just get it the harder way. Like the real way. Where you just know say you work hard. You don't know what lie me I tell. That's why we are living in a denial, you know. We not accept the truth. We not accept the truth. Not for we pan this are living in the denial right now. No care what we give people. We have to give them a chance to be themselves. No care what. We can't buy love. We can't buy love and we can't buy happiness. Because people pretend, but pretend for all long. You have to allow people, make them be themselves. You understand? A business are going in a relationship now, you know. Business are going in a relationship now, you know. You know, say the real thing me I talk about. A business are going. You understand? People not married because they want married again. People are married because of business they might do it for cause something in it. I mean, I tell you another thing why one big thing I go on boy in the family them place it out. But we are see it now because we see it in the paper. People are take out insurance on them loved one, take out insurance on him wife, take out insurance on him blood clot, on her husband. And the two of them are plan to kill them one another blood clot and get the insurance policy. So now it's easier for you to be single and stay in your own place by yourself. You understand? Easy. Original youth call DJ Banker. You have to pick up them youth worldwide and with them there. Stay so. You don't know. Enough respect every time. You don't know you have to get whole heap of ratings. You out there do it youth. Don't know. We're not afraid to say that no time. We can tell you that anywhere back on your side there front of you. Anything we are going for you know it's supposed to go on. Big up yourself, Banker. Yeah, go on. You understand? And we accept it. So when I'm telling you about acceptance, acceptance is that thing. One time gone Banker them see we all about. Now we are see them all about. We and them not supposed to in a competition. We and them not supposed to in a no competition. We supposed to know say a Banker that on the stage. Because remember, we play for a whole heap of party. Him not play for half of the party them we play already. But he's coming. And we and him are going to buck up and party together too. You understand? We just do our thing. Wagwan Jody. We just do what we have to do. Come in the mind play early warm up, you know, should be the bap, you know. And Banker them get prime time and go and go to them thing. Because we accept. Because Banker have him fans them now. We have to learn to accept people. We have to learn to accept. We have to accept. Acceptance is a big thing. I don't have to talk bad about a youth to build up myself. Because we now, go on like say, we not do it already and we still do it. A selective people, Richie Feelings play for right now, you know. And like one time, you know, we there everywhere already and play everywhere already, you know. Remember when every Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, everything I go on, we do the whole of that already, you know. Yeah, we do the whole of that already and we still there. We still drive a nice car. We still put on some nice clothes. We still have a nice cologne and a smell good. So we accept. You understand? We like no cut off our yard yet. Because remember, you know, when people say Richie Feelings, I wrote them and say Richie Feelings that, you know. Them now say, then I him name Richie Feelings, that send it look. Him big and stay body. You can't say that when you see the king. I know the king never be there in the king. You understand? You don't know we youth them at 27 this year, you know, we are big man. So why me, you know, if you see a youth do him thing and want to war him? Sean Kingston, big up yourself. Don't know what we have to do. We make people like the more time when they do too much talking, you have to make people come see. You know, do the bag of talking, because too much talking no work. Anybody can talk. They we're not rich. Of course, we're rich. You know, say we have life. You know what is life? Life is the greatest thing. So we're rich in life, because money are germs. We need money to do certain things, to pay with bills, them and all of them something there. You understand? So money are germs. So when I hear someone talk about them rich, say blood clot rich man puffy there with them say billionaire. You know, say a person them want to say them go say me in all kind of batty business, all kind of something. So here was something we don't want to do. We want have money so we can just go do anything we want to when we want to do it. We don't want to be famous. Because when you're famous, you become a target. I never want to be famous. Remember me and Spice a friend. My friend that I know say Spice big in the world. Spice can't just get up and go anywhere where she want. I remember say Spice our local celebrity will cross over and go foreign. And everybody a foreign knows Spice like how everybody in the world know Usain Bolt. Spice don't know enough place, but she's big. Remember say anywhere she go, she can't even just get up and say, "Star, me never put on a makeup to them. I go to say one piece of shots, two people take out them phone and take her picture and say, then another dirty shots the Spice have and what Spice foot? Her foot dry because she is famous. When you're not famous and nobody don't know you, nobody not gonna just take a picture, take a picture and put it on social media. And I say, look on the boy there right there, so look how him head big. Nobody do that to social media. And when you're smarty, them put you up on social media. Talk the truth, man. Just talk the truth, man. When you're not nobody not talk about you, man. See? So yeah, I'm going to get back to this conversation here, because I don't know me talk about this and that and that and this. I have to make you know what I go on, because I don't find enough sense. Stop hide things from the children. Because everything on hide from them, they must see it on the news, they must see it on the internet, they must see it in them school, they must see it on them friend phone. Because again, you taking the phone from your child and say you go ban the child from phone. Remember say she have a good friend them at school and her friend them like her. So her friend them are gonna say, yo, alright, let me just sign in and look at my page real quick and see if anybody message me. Let me see. And then, cause we have to just have the heart to heart. Tough talk they would be picking them. We have to have the tough talk. Whether you live in Jamaica, you live anywhere, Canada, England, or anywhere. We have to have tough talk with the youth them. Don't afraid to tell them, say, since you run go get big, you go fuck and breed. And you're dead for hungry, you have to talk and tell them the real thing them. No, but I feel like you come tell me on a grandfather and tell me I feel like you are gonna just live your best life. Once you get a pitney, you respond for that pitney there. Me will help out, but remember, me not help everything. You have to learn for blood clot, do everything. You can't even wash your drawers good. You can't have blood clot, wipe your body good. You run down everything. Anything where you run down, try remember when you get it, make sure you're ready to deal with it, yeah? Your dirty blood clot. That's how you have to deal with the youth them. You come talk about, you know, you're grounded. You're grounded. I'm taking your phone. I'm taking your this and I'm taking your that. Eh? You have to know the real truth. We have to tough. We have to tough. Remember beating no grow pitney, you know. Beating no grow pitney. But remember, you have to make them know so when you talk them for know you will kick down them dirty nastiness. Them for know that. When I have the youth, them I always remember this. You have to know when time to be a youth friend and know when to be a parent to your youth. Parent is right round the clock. We have to learn when to listen. We don't work off of impulse because enough of our kids them afraid away. But them not afraid to come talk to we. Right, Bulby Soap? We youth them, come remember, you know. Enough youth miss out on having a father in them life. Them know about mother. That's why them say Mother Earth, Mother Africa, Mother Nature. Everything a mother. Them not say Father Earth, them not say Father Nature. You understand? So the mother is always, because me is a man who always say, oh, come, me not see them highlight father like our father. But remember, say father always be the protector, you know. Father just knows him get the house right and he make sure everything good in the house. He pay the bills them and if two nail, one nail up something right there, so the father could do it. But you don't realize the blood clot mother them a turn the father them. Because some boy refuse to be a father. Step up. Me see some man on the internet that talk about the woman forgive him this and the woman forgive him that. But one thing me learn, no woman we real, no strong black woman don't like no worthless man. No strong black woman don't like a cruff. A big request to the youth, yeah. See me a stepping in here. DJ Mental, you know me have to ball out your name because you're a good youth. You're a good youth. Paper, DJ Mental list, them youth a fight for them name and there. I do them thing. Out there everywhere I do them thing and if them want to say mic, them can't say mic. But a good youth. We have to talk about them. Them selectors out there do them thing just like our banker them there do them thing. I wanna say man, we need them out there do them thing. And them youth I wanna sit on the posters them all about now. We get our run. And we have to big up the youth them and highlight them. We never used to get so much highlight from the selector, you know. When we look our name, you know. See? So, what me I say to you is, not for the man them sit down and want woman take care of them. Them don't want to put in the work. So Shana does tell us that the father is the protector, the father discipline you. But nowadays me realize say it's like the parents them, the mother them, some of them, not all of them, you know. It's like them are raise the children them for eat them father. Because the father could get the next youth out the road. The father could get the next youth out the road and them and the mother not really work out. So like the mother bitter. Because yes, she did there with him when he never have two good underpants. Yes, she help him do certain things. Me understand all of that. But what you must stop though, do not try put a black heart in on the youth chest for eat them father. Always remember, regardless of what you and him have, remember all of the good them way him do and all of the bad them. Don't just say the bad things them. Make the youth them know the good things them too. Make the youth them know the good things them too. Don't just start about the bad alone. Una build up a hate in the youth them and make the youth them grow with that hate for them father. That's them I say, oh, and my mother alone me seeing her, me this and that. That is not true. That's not always the case. Sometimes the mother make the father disappear. Because the father always want dead about the because of how hard it is for the father come around to the mother because everything is a problem. Remember, we as Jamaicans and black people don't know nothing about co-parenting. You know? Co-parenting. You see, co-parenting is a big thing. Co-parenting is a very, very, very big thing. And you see, when time two people can come together for the best of the youth, we have to listen and come together because guess what? When the daughter growing, and she knows she live with her mother and she can spend some time with her father. Don't bother just when she come back the first thing you tell, oh the girl look him off in her yard. I hope she not put her on fire because I don't want to go up there go and bad, you know. I don't want this, I don't want that. Don't do that. Oh, I would have boy there. I would have him down there though. Where she have him down there though. Make sure him not lick here, you know. Make sure him not talk to you in a way, you know. Anyway, need a certain way. Call me and tell me, you know. Because you know, him for know my badness, you know. And you got to sit down with your youth and talk about him for know your badness. And I talk about the boy where mother take for no badness. So again, you teach the youth to do have no respect for him stepfather, him stepmother. One time we used to have follow talk about father, stepfather walk and step and railway. You want her there no more and she has a man. You want him down there no more and him have somebody. You have to learn to co-parent. You have to learn. You have to learn. Come together. Make the child grow up with a love there. When time we live together. Continue the love when you separate. Bitterness now gonna make the child better. None at all. Once the bitterness kick in, and the youth are gonna suffer. The youth are gonna suffer. I mean, like when the youth them suffer, the youth them not suffer. Because we make them open up to outside. And outside take them in and spit all kind of different things in them ears. You understand? We are living in a time right now, people. Now watch the internet. We now read the things that we are going on it. We now see how wicked the internet is. And this is something I did always want to talk about long time, but I just make it pass. There's a lot of bitter women who are wicked. Yes, them love the man so much, but they don't love the man kids them. Because the love that the man has for his children, where she see the man have a bond with the youth, like she thinks she having a child for him now is like the man supposed to stop bond with them youth that we have before her. Me see a girl sending in on one of the site them. The girl say she there with a man, and when she meet him, he have him children, he have a son, and he love him son so much, him do everything for him son. She end up and breed. And she has said she not see the man and love for her youth, so like how him love him son. So she got over a man and throw blow up on the youth and make the youth walk and mad. The youth walk and mad. She said the youth did go university and the youth mad out. She said she do it, you know. She said the father do everything for bring him back and she go back again and mash up the youth. So now she goes to and try right or wrongs them. Because she said the man where she carry the pitney go, where she make over the pitney dead. So she don't know what to do now. But her conscience about her now. All girl like she for dead. Because you know, see the man and him pitney. The man love you, you know. But him still love him youth. Man, get a youth with you. So all of a sudden now, him for just love your youth alone. You're fucking selfish. Him for love your youth alone and nobody love him big son. You know what it is so a man get him first son, girl. You know what it is for a youth. Get him first youth. You know the joy when I feel when I get two youth one time, girl. Remember one time I talked to a girl, you know. And she was there with me, you know. Then I have my woman, you know, and live with my woman and I pick them. And she go look at me and say, when me a hold on pan, if me not see my youth them big now, it couldn't work out for me and her. Because you want me for blood clot choose between you and my pitney, and you definitely gonna come dead last. Because I want to see my youth them pass the worst. So you can always left me and go on. Make them come diss me, make them come ungrateful to me, make them come do everything. But me want to know say me they do right by them. Me don't want to drop shot. I mean never drop shot, me did the right show. You have some wicked woman in this blood clot earth, yeah. The wickedest thing on earth a woman. And every woman wicked, but some woman wicked, you fuck. Because if a woman can do that to another rascal woman child, how wicked is she? How wicked is she? Yeah, DJC. See, you have to know what I do, you know. Remember this, you know, me I tell you this again, you know, youth. You have some wicked girl there America, you know. Some wicked blood clot girl there America. You know how much youth left here. Fuck up them visa and them tell you, them say don't go back to Jamaica and married and take care of everything and man they are foreign 15 blood clot here now and all no blood clot papers can go in. So I have to read up on things, you know, youth. I have to know what I do, you know. Then remember, you know, one time a girl goes up and tell a youth, you know, she breed for the youth and the youth have two other baby mother, you know. And the girl tell the man say she married him and give him papers. And the girl married him and I know him can't get the papers and she tell him say don't deal with the mother two youth them, fear youth them alone. Remember me know that now of them know this too. Them know how we attack. I know that pussy they not get no papers. Cause God lick him with a big stone in him dirty blood clot. Cause make girl tell him. He make girl tell him boy him not feel up on the mother youth. Once you make a girl tell you say she gonna give papers and she gonna do everything for blood clot gear. For you don't look for she tell us say bring the youth them come. Bring the youth them come. Cause if you love the car, you have to accept the calf. Oh, I'm to you. Or if you tell me left me youth girl, you can't tell me left me see and puffy. Pussy old boy, I know you never get no blood clot papers and a 15 blood clot here now. 15 here now and I'll know you can't blood clot go up on a plane, you dirty blood clot idiot. You blood clot idiot. I'm to you feel like a girl can't hold on papers over the king head. I'm to you. Every moment where I tell you about your grandmother, your great grandmother, all your ancestors, them where you feed them mother, me I tell you about too. I'm to you. Suck on yourself. You know like idiot man and idiot girl. Cause remember this. A girl or a boy can tell you say, oh nobody busy back with you. Oh your life is here now. You need to cut off Jamaica. Cut off what girl? What you tell me say girl? So me now when my youth them depend on me and me say me I go look a better life. Me must not pay my youth school fee anymore. You know how much boy have to hide and send money to some different people through some different channel to send go give me youth. Because girl have papers over my head. Hey, me have some suck out here mother put on member in a Sanja grave, me go for them. In a Sanja grave, me go for them. Me I tell you. I'm to you man. Can you imagine my daughter got you? My daughter got you. And me can't send her money come give my daughter because girl look how much money me I spend out of my account. I know a woman man, me a mad man in a man. I want to know. Fuck for see me I walk naked and I say, John, I want to hurt your feelings. It's mad out. Yes, I'm mad out. Because the blood clot girl now want me send the money go give me pick to them. I would have put some scandal for you know a woman girl. I would have stripped naked this girl. Mental health don't have nothing upon me the way me done blood clot mad out. And bring down your dirty blood clot. As I go suck yourself, pussy. I'm to you. I have no one to do ya, man. I'm telling you this. In life, we have to be careful how we deal with people. Somehow have some blood clot. Gonna take friendship for joke thing. Gonna take friend thing for joke thing. Value people in your life and don't value them for what them have. You have to value people. Young blood will go on. You have to value people. Stop value people for them things. Because you deal with a person good right through and the one time you don't get something from them. All of a sudden, oh, them never do nothing for you yet. Nobody never do nothing for you yet. And when you want help from people, you can't get it. We need to stop do that. I'm always I wonder, why is it when time somebody die, that's the only time you see everybody come together and I show love. And I talk about he was a good person and she was a good person. Why when time these people are alive, you know, shower them with blood clot love. One blood clot day or 2 days because you have burial and you have service and you have 9 nights. When you come drink and blood clot but you not celebrate life. Celebrate my blood clot life when me there. Celebrate my life when me there. And go on over me. And drink and blood clot junk over me and go on. And run both when me there and when me alive. We are wait till my blood clot dead. You come, me gonna know you say nothing to me. Me not gonna know nothing. Blood clot. Give me Rita and Rose when me alive. Blood clot. Buy me rose and chocolate and everything. Why when time me dead and gone at them time everybody want blood clot keep big thing, big bengeleng. And go on over me. Me not like that. That is a must. That is a must. That is a must. But come on. That is a must. But we need to stop. Show the most love and spend the most money. Remember DJ Bergs. Remember me tell my pitney them say if me if ever pass a morning, bun blood clot me. Remember, cause some whole heap of hypocrite have a blood clot come round. And we don't want to know say them dead because we not can tell them to go suck themselves. So just keep a little private thing. But I go spend a bag of money and blood clot. But Richie would have loved this. Me not gonna love it, you know. Me not gonna blood clot love it. Me not gonna love it. But as I make sure tell you from now, me not gonna love it. Me not gonna love it. Me not love it. Keep a little small gathering and keep it private. I'm telling you. Bag of hypocrite of blood clot come. I remember some people have your number. Where I call it now, them a look a confirmation. Them hear something a confirmation. Let me call him, me have him number. Enough time when time some things happen. That's why I tell you some learn, you know, man. Every day we live in, we learn and we have to listen and we have to look and we have to understand people. Me I tell you so we have to understand. Remember, you have to look in your phone. Look how much people you talk to at daytime. Look how much people you talk to at month time. And scale along some of the blood clot number. Them change your number and don't make some people have it. Because you have some people that make no sense, you know. Them going to have your number for have your number sake. Them not call you, them not check on you, them not business boy you. But make them see a name in any farm and mix up or bangarang. Them a call if you find out if it's true. Them a call if you find out if it's true. We have to scale along with things and look. I mean, I tell you something, you know, people. Enough people have things that go on in them life, you know, you know. Because everybody want to share them problem with the world. But you have certain people where them are going to open up to. Make sure you're one of them person. And sometimes we have to learn to listen. Because more time people just want somebody to listen. Seeing most than sometimes people just want people to listen. Them just want to know say they're on the phone and them a vent. Me a vent and I go through my problem and my crosses and I cuss bomb buckler. Just know say me just want you on the phone. Me not ask you for the advice. Me just want to know say you're dead. Because you there on the phone make me just You know what I mean? Because I remember sometimes, all of we have something we go through. All of we have something I go through, including myself. The whole of we have something I go through. Some of we girl a fuck pan we. And we love her and now left her. I'm going to pray say out the blood clot or she can't stop fuck pan me. Eh? Some of the man a fuck pan and say watch the dirty crosses. Watch the crosses. Me hate the drunker. Eh? And you just pray say if the drunker even chase little bit. Drunker don't stop follow back at every shit, no? What you see, no? Dirty dog. And I say you cuss the drunker in your mind. You know what I mean? All of we have some form of problem. Some of we have financial problem. Some of we have mental problem. Some of we have health problem. You understand? All of we have something I go through. All of we. But you want enough to do. Don't throw it on someone who does not deserve it. Don't throw your problem on people who do not deserve it. Because sometimes some of we have an anger in a way and we let it out on the wrong person. I'm telling you this. Anybody who deserve to get your anger, them you forget. Don't give people who genuinely want to be there and want to care from you. The lady one daughter have man problem. Oh God. Come to Pastor Richie. Amen, sister. Lord. Let her tell you what to do. Pray about it, sister. Pray about it. Pray about it. Fuck pan at. It make you get in your feelings. Uh-oh. Fuck pan make you ball out. Come to Brother Richie. You understand? Don't know. Show we attack. And ball. Don't know. Glorious be to the Most High Queen Selassie Jah. Sometimes we have some good people in our life and them a fight for them in our life and we have fight to push them away. I can't tell her. I do it. I can't tell her. Miss Blake, how you feeling? Lord of His mercy. Here, look, miss. Say she have financial problem as the money come it done. Whatever has a problem there. Well, go on the Nikki. Boy, me I tell you, what we are going to do? All of we have financial problem. We have to just work hard same way. But don't just work hard and go kill off yourself. Because remember, when you're sick enough money for a doctor. I tell you. Hand to mouth as you get the money done. Pick up yourself, SK caterers. Pick up yourself. While we have something I go through. Heartland. One to your man. You're the man, Adam. Yo, God no. Man or woman this, Heartland. Here Shana, she want to come home and can't find the plane fare. No much here she said she want to come home and can't find the plane fare. You know star. Shana said she want to come home. Yo, everybody where the America said they want to come home. The people them where they are foreign, where ball for come home. Let me tell you something. Jamaica nice, but you have to have money to live the lifestyle that you want. You now can't just come home so. Because you used to one life of foreign. Where you go to the supermarket and you full up your trolley and you buy this and that and that and this. When you come here, say you got price smart, enough money you got to spend. So if you have $200, say you normally spend $200 on grocery. When you come here, so $200 turn in at 30,000. Right? Jerome, I don't have nothing to say about none of them something. I come here and talk about my girl fuck for me. How I stress out. And that I come and talk about. You just join in. All of we there talk our stress. And all of we have problem. That's what they are talk about. If you just join in, come in. My girl a fuck for me, what kind of solution you have for it? Cause fuck pan at. So again, make we talk. If you're coming to Jamaica to live, you have to have money. You have to have, cause again, the weather don't change in Jamaica until December. So December and January is cool time in Jamaica. You can wear jacket. You can wear jacket. You can wear your pullover. You can wear your sweatsuit and all of that. But the other 10 months, them hot. If you want to drive to the beach, if you're living in Kingston and want to drive to the beach, the toll, if you want to take the toll, if you're driving an SUV, enough money. If you're driving a regular car, enough money. So you have to have money to pay go and pay come. If you're living in Portland and you want to come to Kingston, you have to fill up your gas. And you know gas is expensive everywhere. You understand? So again, I'm not going to tell you not to come to Jamaica, but trust me, come with a plan. Come and make sure if you ever get a work and you work remotely from home, where you can know so you can balance and things, because you want to live up at the nice place. Them. You don't want to live a Rima, Jungle and Tivoli. You know you don't want to live down there. Because remember, these people are just accustomed to living in their space. You understand? Them people that are accustomed to living there. You might come and you want to live in a gated community because you used to live in a gated community where you have your big yard space. You would want to come live back in the tenement yard where you did live over how much years and want to come live back there. Remember the people them still fight for line space. Remember say a 3-bathroom build up from the one where they did left. So a 4-bathroom there in the yard where they did left now, and never you build none. So you have to come build back a bathroom. And if you have to come add on for your mother place, you have to come add on a room and a bathroom. That means you have your little quarters. And you have to put a lock on your door because your sister and your brother never got teeth, your blood clot things them. I make sure tell her from now. Because remember when they bring the little things to give them, your thing I go use out. Your body splash I go use out. Your perfume them I go use out. Everything we have I got teeth out. And remember again, you know, used to water go where foreign, so you have to adjust for a regular lock off of water. Regularly water go lock off. Right now for my car at $2,050 one way. So 4,100 go and come. Right people? So Wagwan Abbey. Remember, you're used to having your fluent hot water. When the rain no fall for a long while, they tell us that the dam is going dry. So they're going to have to turn off the water, and they're going to tell you that you cannot wash any cars, you cannot water any lawn. You will be charged. Regular water go lock off. Regular water go lock off. So bear in mind, regular water go lock off. You're not going to get to wash your front regularly. You're not going to get to be a 3 times a day. You know what I mean? Sometimes you have got to catch up some little water, have it all about the place, and you have a big rhino tank. And remember, the rhino tank goes empty many times. Everybody who is in Jamaica has a rhino tank, and it go empty regularly. You understand? People of Jamaica, come and tell the people, the foreign people, the man. Tell the people them. So come to Jamaica. It's a lovely place to come. It's a lovely place, but you have to do a lot of adjustment. Trust me, you have to adjust a lot when it comes on to this country. The land of wood and water. Shana, you're Kingstonian. Where you talk about if you can't go river? How often you can't go river? But again, Jamaica is very livable as long as you know if you adjust. That's like when you fly, every man will leave from Jamaica. Like, alright. Every man who leave from Jamaica and go overseas, you have to adjust. First thing, you have to adjust to winter. You have to adjust to summer. And people who never travel to the States yet, or travel to Canada yet, or travel to England yet, for them summer one different type of hat. No tree, no there when no breeze a blow. Hot. The way some of these foreign countries get hot sometimes, they have to open up some cooling center where you're going to go just to get cool. That is how foreign stay. So that adjustment when you're used to where you say, boy, it's hot. Me I sit down under that tree. There's no tree that you can sit under in America or in England or in Canada. There's no tree. So the adjustment where you have to adjust, some of them hottest peak. When time summer in a foreign, people don't even know how to act. They get them naked. And when you go to America, any one of these other countries, 8 o'clock when summer, the sun hot same way. 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock night come down. Because it actually start get dark at 10. You understand? So you have to just ready for the adjustment. Yes, I want to see the foreign, I want to see the dance, them, I want to see the buckles, and I want to see the nice mall, them and the something them. Try remember, it take a lot of money to go in the mall and shop. Because you have one piece of money, you know. People are foreign, tell the people in Jamaica this, you will have $1,000. And you go to the mall and you come out with bag, pan top of bag, pan top of bag, pan top of bag. And your $1,000 disappear and you wonder what go on. And while you even buy one thing. And your money mash up. So again, you have to do like the white folks. The white folks have a lot of coupons. Them looking at the paper and get every sale they use the coupon. And as we can say, your bills is the most important thing in any country. Jamaica, Canada, Barbados, Bahamas, England, Europe. Your bills is the most important thing. So if you have never worked a day in your life in Jamaica, try know you have to work a foreign. You have to work a foreign. And I'm going to give you a bit of information. All of the man them. You would alone now go carry you through in America. You have to can do something. Because if you're even not working yet, if you live with a woman, if you don't want she put out your nasty ass, cook food for her and make she eat and get fat. Liquor with blood clot, some dumpling in mackerel sauce, get some all-purpose seasoning and season up some blood clot chicken for her. Give her stew chicken, give her curry chicken, give her french fried chicken, give her all type of blood clot chicken. Liquor with chicken till she tired of chicken. Then you go some man go up on YouTube and use up this and the things that she don't normally use to. Liquor with it in her blood clot because you think you would alone, you think you got to just fuck out the woman so. Fuck her till her pussy dry and tender. And talk about you fuck it good. She don't get them fuck there Jamaica already. You give her 2 weeks or 1 month or tight. She's tired of blood clot. You have to just liquor with little ass clot dumpling in mackerel sauce. Liquor with little Caesar rice. You have to liquor with some food. Any you can't cook and there the woman yard. You have to get fucked. Me I tell you. Because if I share the breadwinner, you have to can't cook. You just be the stay-at-home man. Just be a stay-at-home man. You can't say me no want no. Be a stay-at-home man and give her all her food that make she get big and fat. Because remember, say people who work 7 days a week are foreign with 2 jobs. Them not have no time to cook. Them just grab and go, grab and go. So you see all of them $15 there and them $20 there they would spend and buy food on the road. Anyhow you tell her, say, yo, listen, let's buy some groceries. Let's buy some groceries, baby. Honey, buy some groceries. And she just buy sweet pepper, cauliflower, broccoli, cabbage, carrot, buy all of the things them got the Jamaican store and buy the all-purpose jerk sauce and the whole I sauce them. And carry that the house. Big bag of grocery. And you just go some and get the rascal. I remember the jasmine rice. We have to know if we cook the jasmine rice. Remember we used to our little dirty rice. Or we have to wash it 30 times before it get white. You don't have to do that with the jasmine rice. You just put a little bit of water upon the jasmine rice and just turn on the stove a little bit. Turn on the stove a little bit. And liquor. Yeah, look at saltfish and cabbage or blood clot. And remember again the akina tin. So when you go to some and gear the ackee, everybody cook it or saltfish, so make sure, because them saltfish salt it, salt like Jamaica one, but you just put it in the water and boil it off a little bit. And go some bam and liquor so. And say, oh, is that? Yes, when you don't feed her and she belch burp and say, honey, I love this. And give her a little blood clot lemonade, which you can call it sugar water. So whole of sugar water with a little lemonade night. And you give her that blood clot. What amount of fuck you give it, man? Fuck it, make her belly full. You get your paper. She know when you go back to Jamaica, married you and married and say you're my husband till death. I've never gotten this treatment. I've had salmon, I've had red lobster, I've had juicy crab, I have Chick-fil-A, I have blood clot, all of them. She done it, all of them place there. Pay that you give her. Feed her, make she get big and fat. Her clothes can't rascal fit her. Fuck up her shape. Because she dead and I go on like she petty. Because she dead for hungry, so she mag and not put her on the weight. And you just have feed her so. Feed her and fuck her up. All her body, she her ass put her on the weight. Them be a weight on her body part. Be a people just ask her, warm you just up glow, so you glowing Daphne. You glowing Daphne. Wow. Wow, Daphne. What? Blood clot. You give a little rice and peas. Because remember, peas and rice them know about, you know. You give a little rice and peas. And remember, saying have the coconut grater, so you just give the grace coconut powder. Remember, if a normally one share use, put 3 of them in it or 4. You just buy 12 of them at the shop and just put 3 of them in it. Rice and peas come up so sweet. Make sure you put a little one big green pepper on it. And put a piece of thyme, tubes of thyme and a tubes of scallion in it. And don't put too much butter. And liquor, so it's when a liquor, so oh God, man, she carry everywhere, man. Everywhere Daphne carry you. You can't stay there. You have to know if you catch the girl with food. Any boy can't cook. You don't have no girl for long. Me I tell you no. What you say? Me know enough so why me get fuck pan. Fuck pan off all the way. Fuck pan off all the way. So you can't stay there and think of me alone get fuck pan here. Why laugh off of me, man? How come Daphne not send for me? Mel, what you say? Hey, don't you know I know? Remember, anyhow me get you and cook for you, you get fuck. Me I tell you that. All you Rachel, show me not cook for you, you ball. Remember, any woman ever cook for them get fuck. I wanna ask you, mash up in her life. Cook for you, make you get big and fat. Fuck up your shape. What? Remember, you know, enough of them girls never eat fritters yet, you know. The foreign America girl them never eat fritters yet. Give her a little saltfish fritters. Give America girl some saltfish fritters and see. I sat 5th Avenue to carry you go shop. You know idiot? Carry America girl and give her some. Give her about. Don't make them too big, you know. Don't make them too big. Don't make them too big, because if you make them too big, yeah, mash up. Just give her 2 nice banana fritters and liquor. Anytime you give her 2 saltfish fritters, what's is all a whitey? She said, oh my God, I've never had nothing like this. This is the best. Why you think the dumpling chopper Bronx rascal at so? Why you think the dumpling chopper Bronx at so? Never rascal stop ram. Because when the whitey them discover the rascal at fried dumpling, them say, oh my God, honey, where did you find this place? Where did you find this place? Ask anybody about dumpling chopper Bronx. Carry whitey that are a Yankee girl go give her 2 of them dumpling there. Married, she married you. What if y'all can cook stew peas good? Hey, I'm ball out. Remember, when you give her 2 of the nice dumpling, them she say, how you feeling? Irie, I'm Bob Marley, she done. Because when you say, how you feeling? She say, Irie. Because remember the first 2 words that them know when you think about Bucklat alone. How you feeling? Irie. Because Bob them know about first, you know. Why you think so the Bob Marley movie sold out? Because Bob them know about first. How you feeling? Irie. Simone Crown, how you feeling? You dirty ass, you're not irie. You're not irie. Cause you just feel like that's how this go. Like you feel like the Yankee people them just know about Bumbuckler. Them know about irie. We're not going to forget. Bob Marley movie so loud. I'm going to tell you something. We're not wicked enough for you. I watch the Bob Marley movie there. I watch the Bob Marley movie. You see, we Jamaican, you know, star. We are some set of wicked. Because I watch the movie there 2 times. I watch the movie and I wonder where people are cuss about. Yo, I said that man they will play the role there in that movie there. We play Bob. The man who play Bob, I don't see nobody else in Jamaica who could have played Bob like that man there. I don't see nobody in Jamaica who could have played Bob like that man. But again, everybody entitled to them own opinion. Because me see everybody on the internet are criticize and a cuss and a go on and ray and Jamaican this and Jamaica that. Somehow no go love blood clot Jamaica when I want to say other people say them love Jamaica. Move! Yes, a lot of Bob life was missing. But all I could have got the movie was what 2 hours. Bob life, look how much years Bob live. Then all of Bob life could have got in a movie there, in a one movie. All of Bob life couldn't go in a movie there. A whole heap of Bob life in there, but one part it in there, so it was about a part of Bob life. It wasn't all about Bob life, it was a part of Bob life. Zine, so again, people did go look for Cindy in a movie. People go look for the Junior Gang. People go look for all kind of things. But me not tell a lie. A 2 times I watch the movie there. 2 times I watch it. I'm from you watch something 2 times. Jazzy, from me give me number on Facebook and know in a link. Me tell you say I want wicked boy, man. All kind of thing could tell me boy you start. Passa. All kind of thing could tell me say no one boy named Jazzy from Sky Level away to one name. Say yeah man, me know him. He's a wicked boy, but him alright. People, we need to stop and watch things for yourself first before we criticize it. Because me hear people are talk about Bob movie. Me hear people are talk about the movie and I say, where them a cuss and a go on so? But the movie was a nice movie. The movie was a very nice movie. And that guy who played that role in that movie, remember enough of the movie him coming out. Even the girl who play Rita. Whole heap of movie. What if a movie should come in now? A big star them. Zine. Boy, I tell you about we as Jamaican. When we're ready for kill we one another, boy, I tell you. The rest of the world love Bob movie, yes. But I tell you no. Come on, Silver Clark. The movie was a nice movie, man. I can't disappoint in the movie. Everybody, I don't know where people did look for in the movie. Because again, none of the people them go watch Bob movie. They never know nothing about Bob Marley either. Actually mix up did I go on online and them see Ziggy and them see what's your name? Cindy Breakspear and the bag of shade. And that's why enough of them go watch it and mix up them go look for. Them not go look for enjoy the movie and go on. You understand? But I saw it stay. Remember me, Bob say, remember in the movie, Rita goes and say, I didn't want this. Here, Bob. A Paris today, you don't love it. And she box, Bob. When she box, Bob, here, Bob. Hey, we are the skip. Here, Bob. You think I don't know about the guy that you have back in Jamaica? I say, how about remember that part there? When Baba say Rita fuck pan him, Mr. Blood Clot. Rita fuck pan Bob. Rita fuck pan Bob in that movie, you know. And she says, wait. What you feel like, sir? You're going to sit down, sir. I'll be a fuck pan me. And lick Bob. Me as a January. Oh, Jamaica talk about that part there. Oh, Jamaica talk about that part there. Rita box Bob. And Baba say, hey, you don't love it. A Paris today, you know. Arita say, Paris my blood clot. Move your dirty blood clot. Remember me know you from before you had a good clothes. Me tell no the woman them love member the man them and tell them say them never have nothing them with them. Remember she said, remember know you before you have even two good shirt on your back. You know the good trousers. And lick Bob, you know. And I tell Bob say she buy clothes for him and take care of him, you know. And Bob say, hey, remember I know about the guy that you have in Jamaica, you know. You think I don't know about the guy? I know about the guy. I lick back Rita. And me say, John, one long time me tell you the fuck pan that, you know. You so long me tell you the fuck pan that. Eh? Come remember, you know. Rita fuck pan, Bob fuck pan Rita, you know. And I be a fuck pan a go. And I say, Jesus Christ. Alright, we jamming. I want to jam it with you. And I hope you like jamming too. A long time Baba girl is in the cup. Hey, me love Bob. Bob fuck me a girl. My baby mother. What's up, Fletcher boy? You done it me. Me tell no boy you. New people, you get up and done it me. Everything Chris. I still love you same way. Yeah, people. Who not watch the movie? Other part, they're the best part in the movie to me. The part, they're the best part. Cause remember, real man and woman life, that right there, so. Fuck pan. Baba say, wait, here, Rita, wait. What you feel like? You think I just gonna sit down and wait, so? Eh? I follow all your dreams, them, and I do everything for you. We do not even have one shirt. Not one good shirt, and lick Bob. When Bobby a chat about the shirt, I should buy him. Here, Bob. A Paris there, you know. Look how much things I do for you. But we have to skip. We are say, eh? Actually, lick Bob, give Bob a hand back, and me I say, me not believe the part there. Cause Bob a bad man. I make them make a part there and put in a part there. Me not like a part there. Rita box Bob and Bob just take it so. And Bob a kick down man in a movie. Eh? Remember Bob a kick down Dan Taylor, you know? And I said, don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. I'm going to feel like she have lick down Dan, you know? And then I said, oh, I have to take 6 shots for you. And this do me. A 6 shot I take for you, and Baba goes and take a piece of cheese. I say, I will kill your dirty blood clot. You're dead. I say, Philip Dan Taylor. And when me look and see Rita box down Bob, me I say, Jano, a real bad man. No, man. Them make up that part there. Me not believe that part there. Me not believe that part there. Come on, people. We could talk about it. Baba bad man. So Rita fi box down Bob. But you don't know. That part is very believable still because all the way have a woman who is soft too. All the way have a woman who is soft too, you know. All the way have a woman who is soft too. Because remember, you know, the amount of fuck with Bob fuck for Rita, you know. And sing all song for turn your lights down low and tell Rita to sing it, you know. And Rita say, oh, I now sing that. I now sing that. Him sing that to the brown girl up a Warp Road. So all of you woman, you have a man on a week too. And the whole of we as man, we have a woman where we weak too. Woman can get to with anything because we love her. She said, move your dirty crosses, Ross. Your crosses. My crosses, man, and lick you with a big stone. And you cuss and go on, but I say, so she call it general crosses. She don't rate me. But anybody when I watch a Bob Marley movie, go on, go watch it. Farm on own opinion. Don't go off a blogger's opinion. We are daily Trinidad Spice. Anybody when I watch a Bob movie, trust me, it's a nice movie. A 2 times I watch it. I wanna love you and treat you right. Every day and every night we'll share the shelter. Yeah. When the roof all over my head, we'll share the same room of my single bed. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Hey, so you know Baba girl is called Bob say, listen me have a single bed. Me you can't hold on it. Anybody who know what is a single bed, the soldier them bed, that 2 people can hold on the bed, they want somebody hold on the bed there. And Baba said, come in. I'm bringing the girl them on him single bed and give them, be a fuck on that. Yo, Baba girl is here, sir. That alone me I tell her, man. Baba girl is. Listen to the song there. I wanna love you and treat you right. Every day and every night. I'm ball out. Man, I say, yo, man, I and put be a fuck on you every day and every night on my single bed. One little straight bed that, you know. You can imagine? Fatty wavy this, fatty no she wavy this. Fatty wavy this, fatty no she wavy this. Fatty wavy this, fatty no she wavy this. You can imagine that Baba Fatty? Eh? You can imagine Baba Fatty? Fatty wavy this, fatty no she wavy this. Fatty wavy this, fatty no she wavy this. Hey! Fatty! I'm ball out. How you feeling? Irie! Hey! Remember when me say, how you feeling? When me say, Irie! Cause Bob we are dealing with now. Now go like going in know. Bob and the Fatty. Fatty baby this. Fatty no you baby. Fatty baby this. Fatty go to mama week. Fatty don't kill, she kill. Chabar! I'm ball out. I'm Bob. Now go like going know about Bob. Oh my God. See, the Irie, that me I tell you now. And that I first heard, we know. The white people them come in and say Irie. Remember one time when the white people them used to come to Jamaica, on the ship them. Remember say you used to have enough big man, you used to go down a waterfront to sell them front. And that's why them call along the waterfront. Because when you go down there, you want a front. So the woman them used to go down there when the white man them come on the boat and the white man them used to come and just fuck them. So when the white man them come and fuck the woman them, some of them breed, some of them catch disease, some of them catch all kind of things. You understand? So you don't know. White man a go away. And when the white man a go away, him see a woman named Bev. Remember white man fuck the woman named Bev, you know, because Bev all good, him give Bev be a fuck at 3 days, the ship the down a waterfront for 3 days. So the man goes and Bev go down there sell pussy and him give Bev be a fuck, the man fuck Bev right through all the night Joe. So one time him a go in, I say, Beverly! Hey, Beverly! Come remember, she a wave to him. Beverly! Him name Joe. Yes, Joe! Yes, Joe! Hear him. Anything after 9 months. Anything you see after 9 months. Call it Joseph. Call him Joseph. Beverly, call him Joseph. And she said, Joe! Joe, yes, Beverly. And she said, anything you see after 3 days, call it gonorrhea. I lick Joe and I'm nastiness. Cause if I'm gonorrhea, I lick Joe. How you feeling? Irie? Mama clad. John was there. I done me done the paper. Cause you talk about fuck it and breathe it. And them licking with a gonorrhea and them dirty blood clot. Irie! Hey! It's a hot lick you get it up. John was there. A problem. Worries in the dance. Worries to the... John, paper. What Bev do him? I come down about Bev, I go get Pitney, I come 9 months and name Joseph. After Bev, I want good fucker girl long at one place, I post the Bev sell and him to know. Lick him in a comment by them time they're gonna around the place. He's now kill a body in a gonorrhea, you know. We have to take a 500 capsule, you know. And Bev does say, you dirty blood clot. Fuck me, pay me, remember me. Hold this in your dirty blood clot, Joseph. And lick him. Jad was there. But people, on a serious note, may I ask you something. Big up Amari. I remember when Amari came on the scene, Amari said almost 13 pitney she have. See? She have some twin and some different pitney. Amari have whole heap of pitney. See? Destiny no work no way. Destiny no go to school. Destiny no do nothing with her life. Every day Destiny go just get up and I tell Amari and I boost up Amari like, what me do Destiny in her life, people? Why do you say Amari so she meet in an accident and lay down on the ground and I Destiny that a video or everything? Amari, don't get up. Amari, what do you think? What the guys think? What those guys say they're looking at everything Destiny. What we do Destiny, people? Come with me on the reason. Just tell me. I pay Destiny get to do what like him already. Come now, man. Somebody talk to me, man. Cause I believe so we're supposed to learn to break the general curse. The generational curse. We're supposed to break that curse. That curse is supposed to be broken. In Marlon. Cause you know every now and then a glimpse on the internet. Me look, I see Amari on the ground. John was there. One of the time, Amari walk and I go like say 2 man I call to her. No man that call to Amari. Yeah, Amari, you know what I pay for this body? You think you can get me? You think you can get me? You ish? Bitch, you better switch. Someone wanna know if Destiny, cause we can't even say, remember say Destiny come out stinging her. Remember Destiny there stinging her. And she and Amari, remember say first I was when Amari the guy Africa was our son, you know. Remember we not see that son there again, you know. Done it, the man them. Hey, Amari son tempted for the camera, I'm tired. Amari, like he must name Jim or Jeff or where him want him. Like just said, Jeff, my son, where you at? He said, man, me soon come and run the man runway. Yo, Amari son a big man a runway. But I don't see a big man runway yet. Jesus Christ, what me do people? John was there. Yo, you remember? The man hold the camera and tired for the camera. America, Africa, America, everywhere. And the youth them untired. Man say I got the bathroom and America see him back. David, how the boy want name? David Runway. Mama clad. Murder! What we do, people? How you doing? Ire! I don't start. Yo, what am I pick them running from her? I don't want to pick the running from them parents yet. I want to pick the left. One pick the left and the Destiny. John was there. When the boy name go like that, David that way him want name. One pick the left and the Destiny. It come like say, Amari will I that gun and say, hey girl, you're dead if you run the left. Me the whole of them pick them left on the gun. Are you alone left? Are you the good one? The whole of them what listen? Me I kill them. Jesus Christ. Why? What me do people? Remember, you know, 13 pick them Amari, and another one left, and the whole I pick them runway. Jesus Christ. What me do for this ever of this? Me a good youth. Me a good youth. John was there. David Runway, the biggest pitney, you know. Runway, you know. John was there. Hey. Me don't know how I go on. But, man a wicked. Man a wicked. Me see a woman put out last week, one nurse woman. The woman said she destined to find her husband. I must 3 years now the man missing. And I know she can't find him. She's just out of work. One nurse, the woman can't work. The woman's just out of everything. The woman go in a star and put out and say she want her husband to come home. It swear say I see the man missing and dead and him gonna see her something. Yo, me see the man come out in a man. Me see the man come out and say, hey, I come me now come home back here. That's China. Done me done it here. I lick the woman chip. Me said, Jesus Christ, how the woman put out she will want her man come home. Her husband, whoa, she miss him and love him. She can't work, she can't eat, she can't sleep, but she's chest out. Me see the man just come up with him picture and put out and say, hey, when you start put me up, so me missing, me not missing. I done me done it there. Rat chop would have never be a flop chop. People. The woman put out her husband missing and the husband come out and say him not missing. Me have to say, how you feeling? And the man say, Ire. That was that. Man are wicked. The man are wicked. Me don't know what the woman do for deserve that. The man just run away. 3 years the man missing. You know that. What would do for deserve this? Can't remember, you know, the woman's just out, you know. I fret over her husband and say, oh, my man, whoa. She got a star and glean and observe her, you know. And she go and put out the man picture, the man say, hey, take me down. Me not missing. I come home, me not come home. Me tell her, blood clot. And when Destiny go say she tired of Amari. People, when Destiny go say she tired of Amari. When? Me just want to know when. When Destiny got tired of Amari. I just that me want to know. Come make we talk now, man. Come on, man. Stacy, come styles me. Come. We have to have a talk. Wanna make we talk about it. When Destiny I got tired of Amari. What me do, people? What me do, people? Me not do people nothing. Me a good youth. You know, star. One time me hear the people talk about Destiny, blink if you're okay. When me see Destiny turn the light on herself, me I say, Jano, you know, see that nice girl is? The last pitney, come like Amari say, listen me. Me take out a life insurance for the whole of them. Them are dead. You alone. Me I gotta get the riches. Amari, these guys, they want you. Hey, Destiny, you know, so she will get a role in Hollywood. She will play a stunt double. Amari, why can't you do this and why can't you do that? And Amari answer back to herself. I want to know come blood clot about Queenie mad. Queenie no blood clot mad. Queenie no mad. Move. I love Queenie. Amari, why these guys following you up like that? That was that. Boy, what me do, people? How you feeling, Irene? And, you know what say? Uno, where they on the internet, yeah. Uno, where they on Jesus Christ internet. Uno have some wicked set of people. You want me tell you something wicked? I see Amari page come up in my timeline. And I look over Amari page and see all 3,000 comment over there. All 3,000 comment, you know. 3,000 comment, you know. Didi! Number 7. Wagwan de Soko. Remember, you know, on over Amari page, you know, 3,000 comment. That means that Amari is very entertaining. Amari is very entertaining. Trust me, something over there going for 3,000 comment over there. On a fake page, them there. Them there on a fake page. And when you make the people them get popular now, you cost the people them, I'm tired of them. I'm tired of it too, you know. Because you know, cause all of this, you know. Yeah, that wicked, you blossom. But if you play mad like her, you know what's there. Boy, I never remember when that go and stop for light up. Wicked Sophia. Done, me done the day, you know. Win some, you're too bad. Girl, you're too rude. Every man I see to see you.